Hi guys, today we talk about how can you select text size on your iPhone. We go to figure out the selection on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Or you have to do inverse, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So then you click here on display and brightness, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come to text size, just click on it. So then here can you select your text size here in this list here. Can you control it? So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.